So getting guys seems more elusive than catching a unicorn in your backyard? Fear not, because we're about to unlock the mysteries of attraction using the power of science and a splash of humor. By the end of this video, you'll channel your inner Regina George. Not the plastic kind, but the ultra-charismatic kind everyone wants to know. Lesson 1. The Scarcity Principle. Imagine strolling into a local coffee shop and spotting a unicorn sipping a latte. Hard to ignore, right? That's how rare and captivating you can be. Dr. Robert Cialdini's Scarcity Principle tells us that things are more attractive when they're hard to get. Think about why everyone goes wild for limited-time sales or exclusive concert tickets. People want what they can't easily have. I remember when I was at a concert where the artist threw a limited number of signed t-shirts into the crowd. It was like watching a feeding frenzy at the zoo. People went nuts for those shirts, and suddenly everyone around me was a die-hard fan. Proof that when something isn't guaranteed, the desire for it skyrockets. So how do you bring this allure into your interactions? Greet him like he's a long-lost friend with a quick, warm hi, but don't linger. Leave a hint of mystery. Being friendly, yet just out of reach, creates an irresistible curiosity that keeps them coming back for more. Lesson 2. The gain-loss theory. Who doesn't love a twist that keeps the storyline juicy? Just like a plot twist keeps us glued to our favorite shows. Enter the gain-loss theory. This explains why converting a skeptic into a fan leaves a lasting impact. It's like being the dark horse that grabs everyone's attention. Think about the last time a TV series took its time to reveal the true hero. At first, you might have been skeptical about a character, but as the storyline progressed, their hidden depths and strengths were revealed, and by the end, they became your favorite. Maintain intrigue with a little mystery in your words and actions. Only share enough to leave them curious, and when you're ready, take it up a notch from casual texts to inviting late-night chats. This shift draws them deeper into your story and keeps them invested. Lesson 3. Proximity. Become the sun in his universe. Proximity is more than closeness. It's creating a magnetic pull. We like those who we see regularly. It's why your high school crush was often someone you sat next to. Familiarity breeds affection. Make sure you bump into him often in natural settings, like at the same classes or hangouts. I once had a neighbor who I barely knew, but after running into each other repeatedly in the elevator and at the local coffee shop, we ended up with inside jokes and a good friendship. Just goes to show, constant yet casual contact can lay the groundwork for deeper relationships. These consistent, casual interactions make you a regular part of his life, like a favorite song on the radio or your playlist on repeat, familiar and welcomed each time it plays. Use this to build comfort and lay the groundwork for deeper connections. Lesson 4. The Ben Franklin Effect. Ever feel good helping someone? Here's a clever trick. Doing so makes them like you more. Use the Ben Franklin effect. Ask for small favors. Whether it's borrowing a pen or seeking help with something he's good at, asking for assistance makes people feel more connected to you. Compliment them afterwards for their help, and boom, you've built a bridge of warmth without them even noticing. Lesson 5. The presentation effect. First impressions are your show's opening act. Make sure they captivate your target audience. Even if the genetic lottery didn't roll in your favor, effort and style go a long way. How you present yourself through clothes and confidence can make a memorable impact. Walk into a room in an outfit that reflects you at your best, and let your attitude and style do all the talking. On my first day attending a new college class, I wore my favorite jacket, not because it was the most stylish, but because it made me feel confident. That day, I got a ton of compliments and ended up meeting some great new friends just because I was more outgoing thanks to that confidence boost. Your look can be a great icebreaker, and your smile an unforgettable signature. Presence is all about energy. Use each moment as a chance to make a lasting impact. Lesson 6. Luck and chemistry. Sometimes it boils down to a sprinkle of luck and a hint of chemistry, the magical elements of attraction. Let's talk about those elusive yet powerful elements, pheromones and chemistry. Often, attraction comes down to the invisible signals we unknowingly send. Your scent acts like an ancient compass, pointing to potential compatibility on a biological level. I once attended a friend's wedding where I ended up chatting with someone I had never met before. There was something in the air, not just the love story vibe everywhere, but an unspoken connection that felt almost magnetic. Maybe it was the setting, or maybe our pheromones were in sync, but it was like finding an old friend in a sea of strangers. Also, there's the magic of a first kiss, an event that brims with potential. Chemistry can make that moment electric or awkward, but it often highlights compatibility in surprising ways. Think about your favorite romantic movie. The leads might have sparks flying from the first accidental brush of hands, reminding us why timing and chemistry are integral to attraction. It's about being open to opportunities and ready to grab those moments when they appear. And remember, sometimes creating your own luck is as simple as being open and receptive to whatever comes your way. Position yourself to be in the right place, at the right time, ready to let those serendipitous moments unfold their magic naturally.